Hello and welcome to Unit 1 in our New Mexico history class. In this unit, which only lasts for 1 week, most of the other ones last for 2, we will be doing quite a few things. So hopefully you get started sooner than later. This unit is focused on introducing us to the course itself. So the email assignment, for example, is about course navigation. The introductions, of course, will help us get to know one another. Adding an avatar will also do that as well. But we'll also be thinking about what history is and how we study it, because that will be important for everything else we do over the course of the term. Also, we're going to be applying that knowledge on Twitter. So you're going to think about the difference between primary and secondary sources, write a brief summary of what that difference is. Things have to be brief on Twitter. And then you will post a link to a primary source about New Mexico or Southwestern history, and a link to a secondary source about New Mexico or Southwestern history. That means you will post 3 tweets for Unit 1. As you'll read in the Reading Tweets assignment guidelines, normally for every other unit in the course you will post 15 tweets. 10 comments on the reading and 5 replies to one another and to me. So again, note that Unit 1's different. We'll be focusing on primary and secondary sources, and we will only need to post 3 tweets each. If that doesn't make sense, hopefully it will once you've read the instructions in the learning module and also in the Reading Tweets assignment, and once you've looked over all of the information about the study of history and the different types of sources that we use as historians. Let me think. Oh, one other thing that you should do in your time in Unit 1 is to look at the timeline assignment and make sure that you understand it, and make sure that you're able to log on to Tiki-Taki. There are links to all of that in the timeline assignment instructions. There are tutorial videos. I've done everything I can think of to try to help make sure everybody knows what we'll be doing and how to do it. But again, we don't have a timeline assignment for Unit 1, but we will start working on the timeline in Unit 2. So just make sure that you understand what that means and you understand how to access the timeline. All right, I look forward to learning from your insights on how we define history, why we study it, and why we keep rewriting it.